Are you looking for the best electric scooter for kids? In this video we will look at some of the best electric scooter for kids on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Gyroor H40 Scooter. The Gyroor H40 makes the list for several reasons. Gyroor is one of the most popular brands in the industry, with a good after-sales reputation. The scooter itself is solid, fitting kids 8 to 14 years old with an adjustable handlebar height. Visibility's a strong point here, with a full setup of deck lights, headlight, and taillight, great for safety. It's lightweight at just 9.3 pounds, which makes it easy for kids to handle. The low-maintenance design is a big plus, featuring an electronic reg-in brake and foot brake. No fussy cables or adjustments needed. Power-wise, we're looking at a manageable 180W motor that tops out at 10 miles per hour, fast enough to be fun, slow enough to keep parents from excessive worry or freaking out. The battery capacity is on the small side, so you're likely to get 40 to 60 minutes of runtime per charge. That's enough for neighborhood cruising, but don't expect all-day adventures. I'd have liked to see a mechanical handbrake in addition to the electronic and foot brake systems, but the setup is safe enough for the modest speed. Control-wise, it's got an intuitive thumb throttle which is easy for kids to learn and manage. The 7-inch wheels should handle typical sidewalks and paths without issue. Number 2. Segway Ninebot C2 Pro Scooter. If you're looking for something a bit more capable, the Segway Ninebot C2 Pro has a zippy but manageable top speed of 12.4 miles per hour. It's got 3 speed modes, 9.3 miles per hour and 2 modes capped at 12.4 miles per hour. I would have preferred a lower starting mode instead of 2 top speed modes. Braking performance is top-notch with both an electronic reg-in brake and a rear drum brake operated by a hand lever. It packs a 108Wh battery, which is significantly larger than the Gyroor models offer, so the C2 Pro will give you the best range per charge in this kids category, hands down. More range, more fun. Visibility could have been better. It's missing a headlight and taillight. The ambient deck light is great, though. It's notably heavier than some competitors at 23.6 pounds, so younger kids won't be lugging this around easily. However, that's often a sign of its build quality. It feels grounded and like it's gonna last. The handlebar height is adjustable and will theoretically fit kids within the 3 foot 8 inch 5'6" height range, roughly 7 to 14 years, but I recommend it for kids aged 9 and up. The weight and speed make it more suitable for older or more experienced kids. Brand-wise, you can't beat Segway for reliability. They're arguably the biggest name in the game. The Bluetooth speaker's a nice touch too, something to keep the fun going. Number 3. GoTrax GXL V2 Scooter. The GoTrax GXL V2 is a zippy, fun-to-ride scooter that's best suited for teenagers thanks to its fast 15.5 miles per hour top speed. Unlike the Segway Ninebot models, the speed can't be limited or adjusted, so it's not ideal for younger or more cautious riders, but teens will appreciate the extra pep. Despite its higher speed, the GXL V2 remains impressively lightweight, making it easy for teens to carry upstairs or load into a car. It also includes an integrated LED headlight for low-light rides. Just note that while it's plenty usable, the headlight on the Hiboy S2 Lite is larger and easier to see from a distance. Overall, the GXL V2 is a solid, budget-friendly pick for confident teen riders who want a lightweight scooter that can keep up with them. Number 4. Hiboy S2 Lite Scooter. The Hiboy S2 Lite is a great choice for younger or more cautious riders thanks to its slightly smaller size and more manageable speed. With a 13 miles per hour max speed, versus 15.5 miles per hour on the GoTrax GXL V2, it's easier for kids and preteens to control while still feeling fun and fast. One of its standout features is visibility. The S2 Lite includes a bright LED headlight, glowing deck lights, and a large LED light panel running down the front of the scooter. This front panel dramatically boosts visibility from a distance, making it one of the easiest scooters to spot in low-light conditions. Another major perk is its hill performance. The S2 Lite climbs noticeably better than many scooters in its class, especially the Ninebot C2 Pro, which struggles on steeper grades. Overall, the Hiboy S2 Lite is a confidence-building scooter that combines great lighting, solid hill climbing power, and a kid-friendly design. Number 5. STRIDEPOWER Scooter. The electric scooter is equipped with a 350W brushless motor with 3 gears and a range of up to 22 to 28 miles. The mileage varies depending on weight and road conditions. It can easily handle a 15% slope. The maximum load is 265 pounds. It is perfect for daily commuting and can be given as a first scooter gift to young people. The STRIDEPOWER e-scooter is safer and more professional. The bright front and rear lights make you clearly visible at night. Triple brake mode design: hold the brake handle to brake, step on the rear fender to assist braking, and the disc brake can fully guarantee your safety. After the constant speed cruise function is turned on, maintain the current vehicle speed for 6 seconds, vehicle speed greater than or equal to 6 km/h, enter the cruise mode automatically, and exit the cruise mode when pressing the acceleration dial again or holding the brake firmly. Note, when the brake is active, pressing the throttle button to accelerate is invalid. No need to push the e-scooter to the charging position, you can directly remove the battery and take it to a convenient place for charging. Adult electric scooter has passed UL 2272 test.